We live in a digital age where I don't know that we think anymore on the importance of nature and what it really means to us as human beings, how it feeds our soul. One of my favorite things in a home is actually when that home offers floor-to-ceiling windows. Windows that help bring the outdoor essence of that home inside. So even as we're sitting in our family room, enjoying time with our family, our loved ones, we still have that essence of nature surrounding us. This particular property happens to have a lot of nature, but even if you're dealing with a smaller backyard, something that doesn't have the size of an entire acre behind you, you still have the ability to help bring that inside into your home, to bring nature into your lives and feed your soul.